Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the price of crude, what we have seen that the crude is currently trading at around $89.45. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, this is from second week of June. We have seen there is a continuous downfall. Okay, before that what we have seen a rise. Okay, and this particular rise is for a month period, and before that also it made a high of around $130.6, and from there we have seen a downfall. It took a strong support at around, you can say, $92.75, and from there we have seen it has moved upside, and from there we have seen a swing forming at this particular level. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and a mail ID in the description. Okay, and anything forex or commodities, stocks, you can mail me. Mail ID in the description. At Telegram link also I have given in the description, you can join that too. Now suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, which is a higher probability, that because we have seen that there is a continuous downfall. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down again to a level of $86.32, and this particular resistance, this particular support is again a weak support, which is a higher probability. We can see it can go further down towards a level of $83.17. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of around $77. Okay, why I'm explaining you this? Because 85 is a crucial support. So if this level 85 didn't sustain, which is our higher probability, if it goes below a level of 86.32, we can see it can touch this particular level 85, and this 85 it didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of $83.17, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $83.17. Okay, and if this 83.17 didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further downside towards a level of $77.47, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $73.14, and if that level goes downside, then we can see a more downfall in the price of crude oil. Okay, now suppose if this particular level sustain, as I have already explained you cannot predict that the market will go in a sharp upside as well as downside. It will hold for some time, then it will go up. In the same way, it will hold for some time, then it will come down. Okay, now suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, if this particular level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $90.70. Okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can touch a level of $92.8. Okay, suppose the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $94.57, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $96.4. Okay, suppose the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $98.45. Okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can touch a level of $99.8. Okay, once the price goes above that level, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can go further high towards a level of $100.5, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $101.87. Okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $103. Okay, once the price goes above that level, then there is a high probability of moving further high and can touch a level of $105.6. Okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of $107.8. Once the price goes up $107.8, then there is a high probability we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $111, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $113. Once the price sustain above $113, then we can see a trend for crude will move upside, and then we can see a further upside in the price of crude. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.